Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Study Island. Today we are going to see from class 7th exercise 20.1 question number 20 Bogesh R.D. Sharma. Okay, so let's read the question first. A room is 9 meter long, 8 meter broad and 6.5 meter high. It has one door of dimensions 2 meter into 1.5 meter and 3 windows each of dimension 1.5 meter into 1 meter. So find the cost of whitewashing the walls at 3.80 rupees per square meter. Okay, so there is one room is given, length, breadth and height is given. Okay, and we have to find out the cost of whitewashing that room, and windows and doors dimension is also given. So here if you will see, this room will look like a cuboid. If you know, that's a 3D shape. Okay, so there are 4 walls, roof and floor. But here what we have to do, we have to just whitewash the 4 walls, not roof, not flooring. Okay, so here we will find out the lateral surface area. When we are just talking about 4 walls of the room, if you compare it with a cuboid, so that is called as a lateral surface area, in which we don't include floor and we don't include the roof. Okay, so there are 4 walls. So lateral surface area of cuboid is, the formula is 2HL plus B. So the same formula we are going to use. So first, room's length is given. Room's length is 9 meter. Room's breadth is 8 meter and height is 6.5 meter. Okay, so we'll use the same formula. Lateral surface area of 4 walls will be, according to 2HL plus B, will be 2 into H is 6.5 in bracket L plus 2 into 6.5 will remain as it is. 8 plus 9 will be 17, and when you will multiply 17 by, and when you multiply all, you will get 221 meter square. Okay, because this is the lateral surface area. So this will be your lateral surface area of 4 walls. Okay, now length of door is given. Okay, so length of door is 2 meter and breadth of door is 1.5 meter. Okay, so we'll find out the area. So the area will be length into breadth, 2 into 1.5 means 3 meter square. Okay, now we will see, now this is the doors. This was for 4 walls of that room. Now this area is for door. Now we will see for window. So area of window will be, it's already given, one window's dimension is 1.5 into 1, so it will be 1.5 meter square. So there are like that 3 windows. It's given, and 3 windows each of dimension like this. So we'll multiply it by 3. So the area of 3 windows will be 3 into 1.5 meter square, means it will give you 4.5 meter square. Okay, now surface area is 221 meter square. One door's dimension is given, so area of one door is 3 meter square. This is of door. Okay, I'm just writing it here beside because I have to erase this. Windows area is 4.5 meter square. Okay, so now what I will do, I will find out the whitewashing cost. So area to be whitewashed will be equals to area of 4 walls that we have already found out minus area of one door plus area of 3 windows. 221, which is area of 4 walls, 3 plus 4.5 we will add and subtract, because we are not going to whitewash windows and doors. So that's why we have to subtract that areas. Okay, so like that we will find out the area that we have to whitewash. Okay, so the area to be whitewashed will be 213.5 meter square. Now we found the area that we have to whitewash. Now we know the cost of whitewashing the walls at rupees 3.80 per square meter. We know per square meter what is the cost. So by using that we can find out this area's cost. Rupees 3.80. Okay, so cost of whitewashing, this sign shows that the same thing I am going to write here. 230.5 meter square will be, we'll just multiply 3.80 multiplied by 230.5. Okay, so we will get 811.30 rupees. This will be the cost that will be used to whitewash this area and this area of 4 walls, which exclude windows and doors area. I hope this is clear, guys. If you have any doubt, please write through your comments, and if you want me to solve any other question, let me know. This one also requested by someone, so let me know. Kindly like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much for watching this.